Hello everyone. Hey, today I'll be showing you Lorne's apartment in Nolensville, a neighborhood in Nashville. It's a pretty simple apartment, not much to it, but it is where Lorne once lived, so I thought you'd all want to see it. Not sure what building it was exactly or what unit, but the address came out to this complex here. Just off Nolensville Pike. Pretty busy part of Nashville. That's pretty much it for these apartments. I'm probably gonna go and get myself some weak coffee. Lorne's Ram truck was probably in one of these spots right before the Bowling Green, Kentucky sting. It's a pretty simple complex. There's like a playground. That's about it. I don't even think there's a pool here. So this is the gate that Lorne drove out of on his way to meet Kayla. No turning back now. I'm on the freeway right now, about to get off at the 41 to stop for some weak coffee. Not a bad drive so far. Quite a bit of traffic because it is a holiday. It's New Year's Day. A lot of people going into downtown Nashville right now. I'm trying to find a place that's open. Finally got my weak coffee. I had to go to Frothy Monkey in Nashville. Cutting through Nashville right now, trying to get back onto the freeway. Got about 55 minutes left to go of the trip. Getting on the 605. There's the Nissan Stadium. So I'm going to be making it right here, west towards Clarksville. If Lorne made a left here, he'd be able to turn around and head back. But he's not going to be doing that, is he? So I'm going to be continuing another 61 miles on 24 West here. Got about 45 minutes left of the trip. I'm on the 65 freeway. Pretty much just this for the rest of the trip. Some nice scenery here and there. We're on the 65. We could keep going to this Louisville, Kentucky, which we're doing. However, Lorne had a chance to get off here at Hendersonville. So again, more chances for Lorne to turn around. This is pretty neat. Lorne would have driven by the Dollar General headquarters. Getting close to the Tennessee-Kentucky border, just on the 65. Just mostly this, really. A whole lot of nothing. Behind these trees, there's a hill with some beautiful houses on it. That's really about it. I forget the Predator's name, but one of the Bowling Green, Kentucky Predators had a red pickup truck, kind of like this one here. Getting very close here. Got about 35 miles left of the trip. This is there on the right. Just heading up the hill here. Lorne could have turned around right there if he'd wanted to. Probably would have been a wise decision. White House Utility District. Two big water tanks. So there's the Welcome Center rest area. The Tennessee Welcome Center on that side. I'm going to go ahead and pull off here. Welcome to Kentucky. There's the sign that Lorne passed. Not much going on here, at least compared to Tennessee. I doubt though Lorne had stopped here though. He's probably in such a hurry to see Kayla. So I'm here at the Kentucky Welcome Center. I doubt seriously Lorne stopped here. All right, well, we're back on the road, heading to Bowling Green, Kentucky. And there's an exit coming up. He could have gotten off there and headed back to Nashville, but Lorne did not want to do that. About 23 miles away, about 23 miles left, at least on the freeway, then another 3 miles when I get off the freeway, rather. My guess is at this point, he didn't want to turn back. So there's the ramp for Franklin, Kentucky, the ramp for Bowling Green, Kentucky, where we're headed. Just across the county line, now I'm in Warren County. About 13 minutes to go, 13 miles left. A lot of nice green fields out here. Bowling Green, forget the name of the university, but a sign for a university. 2 miles to Bowling Green, Kentucky, almost there. And for earlier, it was Western Kentucky University. Just getting off the freeway here, about 4 minutes to go. About to turn left here onto Cemetery Road. That's ironic. 65 south to Nashville. Pretty much is Lorne's last chance to turn around, other than the neighborhood, of course. That would have taken him right back home to his apartment. I'm going to be making a right here onto Ewing Bend Drive, which is just down the street from where the Sting House is. Well, have to keep going straight. There's no turning back now. The road ended for Lorne in 250 feet, if you know what I mean. Pulling up to the house now. This is a beautiful neighborhood, though. I understand why Lorne was blown away when he pulled the truck up. This little roundabout here was probably his last shot, his last chance at freedom. And that is it right there. That's the famous driveway that Lorne pulled into. His life was about to end just a few minutes later. Well, there you have it. The Bowling Green, Kentucky Sting House. Let me know if you want me to do any more TCAP travel vlogs. I'd be more than happy to. But pretty cool to see this house where it all went down. Gonna be a white truck.